In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Keep Notes on local PC using Takeout. We're going to use Google Takeout, Google's official export tool, to grab a complete copy of your Keep Notes and save them to your computer. Open your web browser and go to takeout.google.com. If you're prompted to sign in, use the Google account that holds your Keep Notes. This ensures the export includes the exact content you expect. On the main Takeout page, you'll see a long list of Google products. Click Deselect All to clear everything. This is important so you don't accidentally export data you don't need. Now scroll down until you find Keep, then check the box next to it. That tells Takeout to include only your Google Keep data. When you're ready, scroll to the bottom and click Next Step. For delivery methods, select Send Download Link via email. This is the simplest option for most people because you'll get a direct link to your export. If you prefer, you could use cloud storage, but the email link is quick and straightforward. Next, choose your file type and size. Zip works best on Windows, while TGZ is fine if you're comfortable with other archive formats. Set the maximum archive size. If your notes are large, Google will split the export into multiple files of that size. A 2 GB or 4 GB limit is a safe default for most systems. Click Create Export. Google will start preparing your files, which can take a few minutes depending on how many notes and attachments you have. You'll receive an email when it's ready. Open that email and click the download link to go back to the Takeout page. You may be asked to sign in again for security. On the Takeout page, click the download button to save the zip file to your PC. Choose a folder you'll remember, like Downloads or Documents. Once it's finished, open the zip and extract it. Inside, you'll find a Takeout folder with a Google Keep subfolder. Your notes will be saved as HTML files you can open in any browser, and attachments like images or audio will be in separate files. You may also see JSON files, which are useful if you plan to import or process your notes with other tools, but you can ignore them if you just want to read your notes. That's it. You've successfully exported, downloaded, and extracted your Google Keep Notes to your local PC. Keep the zip and extracted folder in a safe place, and repeat this process anytime you want a fresh backup.